Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show y'all my fall 2020 home decor. Most of it's from Dollar Tree, Target, Walmart, Dollar General, just a mixture. So I just try to do everything on a budget because you know this mama has 3 kids. So anyways, on this wall, if I can recall, I got these 2 signs from Family Dollar, and the top one is an owl and it says blessings, and the second one is a pumpkin that says welcome. I should flip them around so it could say like welcome blessings, or I guess blessings welcome. Sounds good. And I did get these little plaques from the Dollar Tree. And then that little truck right there says hello fall. I got the little hay. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I got that one from Dollar General, and then the hay is from Dollar Tree, and the maroon pumpkin on it is from Dollar General. And that's just my hello sign, and this pumpkin is from the Dollar Tree. Then I got the scarecrow from the Dollar Tree, and happy fall sign. I believe that was Dollar General or Family Dollar. Got the scarecrow from Dollar Tree, another Dollar General pumpkin, Dollar Tree hay, and 2 Dollar Tree signs right there. On to my entertainment center, I have at the bottom a bunch of Dollar Tree pumpkins, and the pumpkin patch little box over here on that side. That one's from the Dollar Tree, and the L tag is from Dollar General, and that one, that sign right there, is from Dollar General. The second shelf, all Dollar Tree, and then the top shelf, I just added those, a few signs, and it's mainly all Dollar Tree. And on this side, I have some signs. The Happy Harvest little signs are from the Dollar General. This one, I think it was from Dollar General as well. I got these little houses from Target. I made that pumpkin. The scarecrow is from Dollar Tree, and that is from Dollar Tree. This pumpkin is from the Dollar Tree. Oops, my remote. I forgot to take that out of there. And I did get this sign right here from Target, and it says autumn and a bunch of little autumn sayings. And I have my candle from Bath and Body Works, and my other Bath and Body Works candle. And then this sign says happy fall. That's from Dollar General. Another Target house, and some Dollar Tree arrangements. And I did get this beaded little thing here from the Dollar General. On to my coffee table, I got those white lanterns from Target, the Happy Harvest signs from Dollar Tree, the pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and that signs from Dollar Tree. Moving up, I made that wreath with all Dollar Tree products. This says pumpkin spice and everything nice. My first time making a wreath, probably could have been nicer, but oh well, I tried. So another little section here, I got that Hello Fall from the Dollar General. This lantern from Walmart, Dollar Tree, and the rest of it's Dollar Tree. And I just put this little sign on my little ladder there. And on this side, I have my 3-tier stand. It has Dollar Tree products, and Ray Dunn. So yeah. Let's see, so this one's from the Dollar General, Family Dollar, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, and Radom. Moving on to my coffee stand here. Oops, I forgot to hide some stuff here. So, you know, I forgot that I need maybe some maroon baskets there, but I will do that when I get a chance. So I just have my little coffee pot, farm fresh pumpkin sign from the Dollar Tree, scarecrows the Dollar Tree. Dollar General, these little tags are from the Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Dollar General. Hobby Lobby signs there. Ray Dunn, got Dollar Tree and Dollar Tree. And my little Starbucks cups here. And yeah, that's that. It's a little cluttered, but oh, sorry, my purse is like in the way. But yeah. Next is this little area in my kitchen. I keep my chargers in there. I had a lid to it, but I need to find it, sorry. So I made these little DIYs. All I did was glue the little sticks on there. You can put candy in those. Got this at Dollar General. Dollar General. These pumpkins are from Dollar General. I mean, I'm Dollar Tree. These little stands are from H-E-B. Oops, trash. That's Dollar Tree, and those little scarecrows, the Dollar Tree. And the bead is from Dollar Tree. Not Dollar Tree, Dollar General, sorry. And this is like where my stove is at. Just got a scarecrow and a few little thingies there. Nothing too special. It's a little cluttered. And this area is cluttered right here. I just put a few little things right there. A pumpkin up above. On the top of my pantry, I got a big pumpkin from Walmart. This is Hello Fall. And then a Dollar Tree sign that says Happy Harvest. So stay tuned because I'm about to show you what I bought at Target from the Bullseye Playground area. So check it out. So I bought these houses, and they're light up barn houses for $5 from Target Dollar Spot. So these will be really cute with my farmhouse decor. I also got these dollar pumpkins. That one, and the black one, and that one. I think I'll use these for Halloween. I'm not sure, but or I could just throw them in there for fall. And I picked up more stuff. This is a huge sign for $5. It says Welcome Autumn. Very cute. And whoa. This one says Pumpkin Patch, and it was $5. And a few more things. Fall is my favorite for $3. And this big old white pumpkin right here. And she was $5. Yep. So that's all the stuff that I got. So cute.